Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In today's video, we are going to cover the topic array, processing of array from computer science, NIOS. Going to see what are the processing available for an array and what are the different processing operations that can be done on the array. So the available performance or the operations are traversal, searching, sorting, insertion and deletion. These are the operations done on an array. So already we have seen some. Let's see rest of them. And before going to the video, I would like you to subscribe to the channel so that you get the notifications on time as per the video is uploaded, and give it a thumbs up if you liked the video and share it with your friends. Now the first thing is traversal. So what do you understand by the term traversal? Already we have seen different arrays are available. Some operations can be done on it. So the meaning of traversal is accessing the location of an array or an element of array to do either displaying of the array or doing some kind of operation on them. So that is what the meaning of traversal is. Okay, so it means to access the location of an array for display purpose. Example is given like, consider a program which read 5 values from the user and then you have to find a maximum value. So we have already covered the topic of traversal because we have done how to find out minimum, maximum, average, sum. So these all things are done using the traversal method. Okay, so that is the first operation, that is traversal. Usually this operation is done for modifying the array elements or performing some kind of calculations like average, sum, like that, or reading the values, display purpose, reading and displaying, reading the values. So these are the main categories of work done using traversal. So usually traversal is done sequentially or in a reverse order. That means the elements gets read by a of 0 till a of number of elements minus 1. Okay, for example, if you have 5 elements, it will be represented as a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, like that it goes till a of 5 minus 1, that is a of 4. So from a of 0 to a of 4, that reading happens. That is known as sequential traversal. Now reverse traversal means from the end element till the starting element, the operation goes on, or we do this traversal in this format. So these are the two ways how you do traversal of the array elements. So to know more about this, we have already covered topics of finding out minimum element from the average, how to modify and how to find out average of the data elements of an array. So please go to that video and check out all those programs. So that will help you to understand traversal better. I'll put a link here on the top. Now next one is, this topic is searching. So second operation that we are going to see is searching. So searching means, as the name suggests, it is to search the data element. So we have got two methods of searching, that is linear search and binary search. Linear search, also known as sequential search, and another one is binary search. The name suggests binary, so something related to two, or we have to convert it into two groups. So usually the first one, that is linear search, is applied on an unsorted array. So for example, if you are given with some elements like consider these are the elements of your array. So your linear search works on this unsorted kind of array elements. If you want to work on binary search, you have to have a sorted array, so it will work only on that. Okay, so first convert it into a sorted array, then convert it into two groups. Okay, from the middle, find out which is the middle element, and then make elements on your right and on your left, and based on this, again you have to start searching based on how many numbers are left out in each group. Okay, we will see how to do this. So the first one is, so the method of linear search says you have got different data elements. Consider any elements like 12, 13, 2, 6, 15 and -5. These are the elements of your array. So we will be naming it as A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, A of 3, 4, 5 and A of 6. Okay, so 6 elements are available. So if you want to search a particular element, consider I want to search element as 6. So what I have to do sequentially, either I have to start from the first element or the end element. One by one the searching goes on. So here it searches if it is the first element is the same, so 6 and 2 doesn't match, so that's not the element. Then goes to the next element, and if 6 and 13 comparison happens, again the number is not there, like that 2 will not also work. Here it goes to the next element, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, A of 3. So you will have this element found here. The element is searched. So you get the exact element that you want. So that location will be displayed according to the program. The second one works on sorted array. Consider a set of elements you are given with 20, 120, 380, 13, 14, 10, 5, 2 and 1. These are the elements of your array. So what is the thing you have to do in the first chance is sort. Sort this, that means arrange it in a proper order, ascending or descending. So we are going to arrange it. So the value will be 1, 2, 5, 10, 14, 30, 13, 14, then comes 20, then comes 120, then 380. This is the order where the elements are arranged. Okay. Now after this, you have to find out the middle element. That means you have A of 0, 1, A of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, A of 8. So total 9 elements are available. Find out the middle element. In this, the middle element would be A of 4, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this would be the middle element. Here you have got 4 elements, here you have got 4 elements. Now first you have to compare which element you want to find. For example, if I want to find 25, this is the element that I have to search here. So 25 and 13 gets compared. In that case, 13 is lesser than 25. So it means the elements on your left will be less one and on the right will be greater than 13. So automatically this 25 should go to the right side. So your elements will be found in this right region. So again, if you want, since it is binary search, so 4 elements are there. Again, apply the mid element or find out the mid element, then again compare in the region. For example, find out 13 is one element, 380 is another element. So A of 4, A of 4 which is in the middle. So this 2 and this 2, this is the middle element for the second pass, for the second time. Okay, we don't have to consider left side because our value is greater than 13. So now compare 20 and 25. So again you will come to know that in this left hand side your value won't be available. Now search on the right hand side. So if you search on the right hand side, you will be getting only 1 or 2 elements. So again when the searching goes on, you will come to know that your value doesn't match with any of these. So the value 25 is not available in the given list of array. This is how you have to find out whether an element is available or how to search an element. So these are the two methods. The one is the sequential method, the second one is binary method, that is arrange the elements, split it into 2 groups and check whether your number lies on the left side or the right side based on the value. And if the value is available, you will get the element. If it is not available, you cannot find the element. That is what to be done. Let's see a program of this search, linear and binary search. We are given with an array element. So this program is done in programmers.com of C++. Take the C++ option and then write your program in the platform. Now here you can see array 5 is there. That means your array with 5 elements are available. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So some elements are already selected. You can either input it from the keyboard too. That is also possible. Now this target element is the element that you want to search. 75 is the value given. Now a flag is set, a variable flag is used, and another variable I is used. I is for iteration. Repeatedly you have to go from one element to the other element. For that we are using this I. Now put it inside a loop. So the calculation starts from 0, I becomes 0, and it goes till 5. So that from this 12 to this 9 you have to have the elements read one by one. And what is our aim? Array of that element, that is array of 0, and the target element, whether it is matching or not, we have to check using the if statement. So after checking, if the value matches, a flag is set as 1, break is used for coming out of this loop. Now at the end you are putting a message that if the flag is 1, the value is found, or the value that you were searching is found in the array. So here that location is also mentioned using this I. Okay. Else, if that doesn't happen, the flag doesn't become 1, it becomes 1 only when the search result is true, and if doesn't become 1 and it is some other value, then what happens? The value, we put a message that the element not found in the array. Okay, let's check the output of this one. This is linear search program. So on your right you can see element 75 not found in the array. You can check in the array 75 value is not available. You can change here another value and search. So this time I can give here a 67 or 45. I can use 45 here. Okay, and execute again. So 45 is found at index 1. So 0, 1, A of 1, it's available 45. So this is how you find or search using linear search. Let's go to the next program, that is binary search. Program is for binary search, where you have got an array element with some elements. Now the target element is 67, that is the value that you need to find out from this array. So low and high is set. Why it is set is you have to start with the starting element and the ending element, and also find out mid, and a boolean value found is given as false, and index is set as -1. Okay, so while low is less than equal to high, that means your starting element and the end element, that combination is there. It is put inside a loop. So what happens is find out the mid element. So mid and high to be added, divide by 2, find out the mid element. So if your array of mid element is equal to target element, you say it is found. Okay, value you got. In that case, you can say mid is the index of that value that you need to search. Otherwise, what will happen? You have to check whether your target element, that is the element that you need to search, is lesser than your mid array element. Whichever is your mid value, lesser or more. If it is lesser, again you convert it into 2 groups. In that group, you have to mention the lower value is mid plus 1. Okay. Otherwise, high is equal to mid. So the elements are separated to 2 groups, in that the left and the right group. So based on that element to be searched, you have to check whether the elements lies from your lesser than your mid element or more than your mid element. If it is more, it will be on your right, and if it is less, it will be on your left. So for that is done here. And then if you find the value, if you find the element, then you have to put a message that the element is found at particular index number. Otherwise, the element is not found. So this is the way how it is done in binary search. Let's check the output. Execute the program. So element 67 is found at index 5. So let's check. 1 0 1 2 3 4 5. So 67 is at 5, fifth index, a of 5. Okay, if any element is not found, let's find out. 6 is the value that I am giving. Execute it. So 6 not found in the array. So this is how the programs, both programs are to be done. So the next topic is sorting. Sorting, different types of sortings are available. The how to do sorting using bubble sort, insertion sort, okay, merge sort. So many different types of sortings are available to sort the values of the array, to arrange the values of the array. Next one is insertion. Insertion means inserting or adding of any of the data element in the middle or at the end of the array. If data is to be added after a given item, then the location is to be first determined by applying a search procedure. So you have to first find out a particular location where you want to insert your element into, and then insert procedure happens using the program. Okay, next, the last one is deletion. That is, this operation is also available for your array. That means deletion is to delete an array element or a data element. So here the first location is to be first the location of the item to be deleted is determined using a search procedure similar to your inserting procedure, and then value of the particular location will be deleted. Okay, that is the process done. First find out the location where you want to delete a particular value, then remove it. So that is what deletion. So these operations are available. We have seen traversal. Now we have seen searching. We will be seeing sorting and inserting, deleting. These programs are available in the previous videos of array. Please do go and check it out there. It's available in playlist. Find any difficulty, please do comment, and hope it was useful to you. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.